The provided TopGal panels are 10 feet long. Depending on your structure dimensions, panel length may need to be cut to size prior to installation. Pull back the film on the tooth side of the panel about 2 inches. Use an oscillating or jigsaw with a fine-tooth blade designed to cut plastic. Cut slits at the base of the connecting teeth on both ends of the panel to a depth of approximately 1 inch. Measure the panel width and cut anti-dust tape to size. Apply tape to evenly cover the open edge of the panel. Wrap and press extra tape width onto top and bottom sides of panel. TopGal panels come with a protective film on both sides. After edge sealing, remove the film from the flat side of all panels except the 2 outside panels. Starting at one end of the panel, pull the film off at a 45-degree diagonal and in line with the panel. Position the first TopGal panel in the middle of your pergola structure. Make sure the panel is aligned properly with the frame. If your pergola is attached to your house, the direction of panels is determined for you. Panel flutes should run parallel to the roof slope, and the panel should extend 3 to 4 inches beyond both ends of the pergola frame. Start by fastening the 4 corners of the first TopGal panel to the support purlins using the provided aluminum T-clips and regular wood screws. After the panel ends are secured, attach both sides of the panel to the underlying structure. Fasten at every other purlin. Working from the middle, position a TopGal panel to the right of the first one. Make sure it is squared and aligned with the first panel. Attach as before and remove the film once attached. Starting at one end of the 2 adjoining panels, install the first polycarbonate connector by sliding the connector over the teeth of the 2 panels. Snap the connector into place using the palm of your hand and a rubber mallet. Remove the outer film from the tooth side of the panel once all are installed. Provided TopGal panels are 23.62 inches wide. Because your structure might not be square, measure the space at both ends of the panel before cutting. Panel should be installed flush with the last purlin. Follow the previous steps before removing the outer film from the 4th and 5th TopGal panels. Slide an aluminum side profile onto the outside edge of the 4th panel, confirming a snug fit. Pre-drill pilot holes into the aluminum so your drill bit doesn't wander off. Fasten the top edge of the profile to the panel and purlin below using self-tapping wood screws. Repeat these steps for the edge of the 5th panel. Finish the sides by sliding a polycarbonate connector over the outer edge connecting teeth of both panels. After the side profiles have been installed, add the aluminum end U profiles to both the top and bottom edge of the TopGal panels. Drill weep holes into one U profile every 12 inches to ensure proper moisture drainage. Slide the end profile onto the bottom edge of the TopGal panels and into the slits made previously next to the base of each of the connecting teeth. The fit should be snug. The shorter leg of the end U profile should be installed along the top of the panel. The longer leg rests over the bottom of the panel, facing the interior of the structure. Repeat to install an aluminum end profile along the top edge of the TopGal panels. To complete your pergola roof installation, install the polycarbonate end caps. This creates a finished and professional look.